Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NordPass for privacy-focused password vaults, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.nordpass.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the NordPass website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will now see the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your NordPass account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you want to ensure your password is entered correctly, you can click on the eye icon to reveal it temporarily. Once both fields are filled out, locate the Login button on the page. Click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your NordPass dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below the password entry field. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's features and functions. You can now start securely managing your passwords within NordPass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.